Hello viewers, let's take a look at this question. Find the area and we are given options to pick from. So this type of question is a question that contains the area of a rectangle. So the first thing I'm going to do here is to divide this diagram, is to partition it. So I'm going to partition here and I'm going to partition here. So I'm going to call here rectangle A, rectangle B, and rectangle C. Remember, the area of a rectangle is length times breadth. Now let's focus on rectangle A. If my area is length times breadth, what is my length for rectangle A? My length for rectangle A, this is rectangle A, from here to here is my length, from here to here is my breadth. So my length is 8, the breadth is 2. That will be 8 centimeter times 2 centimeter. That is 8 times 2, 60 centimeter square. Now let's focus on rectangle B. Area is length times breadth. What is my length and what is my breadth? Here is my length, and here is also my length, and here is my breadth. So my length is 5 centimeter times 2 centimeter. That will be 10 centimeter square. Now rectangle C. In this my rectangle C, remember from here to here is C. So what is my length and what is my breadth? Now this part of this C is the trickery part. We were given something that will make us to derive at the length and at the breadth, but we weren't given directly the length and the breadth. We are to derive the values ourselves. Okay, here is my breadth, here is my breadth. Okay, so here we were given that from here to here is 8 centimeter, from here to here is 5 centimeter. So it simply means if here from here to here is 5 centimeter, the total length here is 8. Out of the 8, we know here to be 5 centimeter. It simply means the remaining part here will be 3 centimeter. So we've derived at the breadth. Now for the length. We were given that from here to here is 12 centimeter. So what is the length from here to here? We don't know. So we have to derive it ourselves. Now for the length of rectangle C, we've gotten our breadth. Now if from here to here is 12, from here to here is 2, it simply means from here to here is also 2, because values on the opposite sides are equal. So if out of 12 we've removed 2, it means the remaining part will be 10. So my breadth here will now be 10 centimeter. So my length times breadth. So my length is 10 centimeter and my breadth is 3 centimeter, which is 30 centimeter square. So we have to add up rectangle A plus rectangle B plus rectangle C. That will be 16 plus 10 plus 30 That is 56 centimeter square, which is option C. Please, if you find my video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment on where you're watching from so that I can tag you in my next video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.